There are many strategies that give opportunity to earn a few $1,000s just in one day for the professionals. How they do it and what the professionals know, what newbies on pocket option do not know. Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna tell you the strategy for the professionals who trade on pocket option for a long time and have a lot of experience. And today we're gonna try the different indicators and different technical analysis, so let's start. We're gonna start as usual with the assets with the biggest payouts, and sorry, misstepped a little, and I use with 92%, and also I usually look at them while trading because sometimes the person is changing. And let's put the foreign too. So we choose the candles for 30 seconds, and let's start with let's say with this indicator, the vortex. I know this indicator is not very popular, but let's start with it. And also we're gonna have the time for 1 minute, and let's put the $500 for the trades. And let's see what's happening on the market here and what's happening with the indicator. We can see that we had the growing of the price and we had this kind of top of maximum right here. You can see it by yourself. It's very clearly that we have the maximum right here. It went from here to here. So also we can see that we have very synchronized positive and negative reaction on the vortex, but I think that we could go downwards because it was for a long time maximum and it's gonna be for a long time minimum because we're going through few steps here. So let's wait what's gonna happen here, but we already going for the downward situation and winning it. So let's wait a little and let's see what's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have the profit here. And also we can see that it's pretty stable, profitable situation. And guys, we already have the profit. We earned $400.60, and I think that is amazing. This indicator is sometimes difficult to understand, but it synchronizes the negative and positive reactions of the market, and we can see what's happening in different phases. So let's make one more with this indicator. I think, yes, why not? So we have the curve situation right here, we can see, and we had the big minimum, we can see it too. So I think that the price is gonna go upwards, and let's see what's gonna happen. What we can see here very clearly is that first of all we can see that we had the big minimum right here. Oh my god, what's happening? Hello? Minimum right here, we had it very clearly. We can see it, and also we have the curves, and what we can see from the indicators that we have this moment of clearly moody swings, because we can see the zero pace when the positive and the negative they in one point, and they giving this unstable mood for the market, and we can see it by ourselves that the price is going upwards and downwards. And oh my god, this one is tricky, guys. It was the positive 5 seconds ago and now it's negative, but we didn't win this one, but we already have one profitable deal, so we're not in the minus. I think that is okay, but you just saw how unpredictable market can be, even with the right technical analysis and the right indicators. Just few seconds and we could win. So that's why I'm not very sad about it, because that is the case in the market. You should be ready for the wins and for the loss. So I think we can change the indicator, and let's continue with one of the favorite and the popular ones is the oscillator, and let's close this one, the vortex. Honestly, I'm gonna correct the escalator because it's more comfortable for me where I have the more comfortable situations. And let's see. That's safe. So let's look to the other assets and have more profitable deals. I think it's gonna be okay. You know, sometimes the price is not very nice, so I think you all know that sometimes the market is moody. And instead of showing you 10 deals in a row that perfectly went well, I'm showing you the truth. Yes, I have the time when I have the 10 or 5 deals in a row and they are all profitable, but sometimes it's not, and it's okay not to have the profitable deals. So let's see what's happening here. So I can see very clearly that we have this moment of the buyers went out from the asset, and also we can see that we had really maximum situation right here, and also we had a little curve situation, but the market is unstable. I can see it that the market is unstable today, and you can see it by yourselves that we had the profitable position, then we had not very profitable position. But because of this candle analysis, we can see this tail that's showing us, oh no, it's not gonna work for us on the upside, so we're gonna go downside. So I'm pretty sure here that we're gonna have the profit. So that is a few seconds and very moody market. So let's wait a little, and oh my god, I hope we're gonna have the profit, because that was tricky. And yes guys, we're having the profit. That is amazing. So we have 3 deals, 2 profitables and 1 unprofitable, but I think that is okay, perfectly okay and perfectly nice. So let's make one more deal with the oscillator, our favorite. Everybody knows this indicator. It's very understandable and very, I don't know, it's very supportive. Yes, you can agree with me that it's helping all the time on the market, so you can use it in a pair with another indicator. So let's see what's happening right here. Let's wait till the candle close up, because you all know that it's the turbulence zone when the candle is closing up. So let's put that the price gonna go higher, because we can see that we didn't have a lot of buyers, but there is a window for them to show up. Also we had the big maximum, then we went out for the minimum, but I don't think that's gonna be the big minimum here. We can see that from the area where the price is working, and we reached this line where the price is working very nicely. So we have the profitable position right now, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the profitable deal. So let's just wait a little. We have the profitable positions and the oscillator showing up as the window where the buyers can go in and can have the profit and can have the money in this asset. So I think that is extremely nice. So let's wait a little, just a few seconds, and I think we're gonna have the profit, and that's gonna be amazing. And guys, we're having the profit. That is our 4th deal. So we have 1 unfortunately unprofitable, but already 3 profitable deals, and I think that is cool. So let's change the indicator. I know that we all know oscillator and it's very nice, but we should try different, and we're gonna continue with the average true range. I really like this indicator. Honestly, it's new opening for myself, but it's really nice, and it's really understandable one. So it show you by the time, the periods, what's happened with the price, and let's put money in. So we had the top downward situation, and just look how fast the price is growing on our eyes. I think that is just amazing, and we're going for the maximum. I think we can go. So what we can see from the technical analysis, we can see definitely that we're working with the curves right here. Also we can see the curves on the average true range indicator, and we can see how the price is growing. We had a little fall, but it was not critical. It was a little tail, and we're still going upwards. That we can see from our indicator, from the timing zone, and from the everything else, from the buyer's zone. Also we had this tail from the candles analysis. We can see that the buyers could go downwards, but not not trends. And guys, we have the profitable deal that's easily, not tricky, not stressful. We have the best confident profitable deal with average true range indicators. So let's make one more deal with this indicator, and I think that's gonna go really well. Let's find the asset with the nicest situation. Well, I don't like this one exactly, but let's see. Well, I like this one because I think that the price is gonna go upwards here, because we had the minimum situation from the upwards, and I think we're gonna go for the higher moment. So how I understand that from the average true range, you see this middle line, that gray line that's showing us that the price is working in this area stably, and we went from the higher positions, so that's showing us that the price probably gonna grow. Yes, maybe not very stable growing because we're working with the curves, and you can see from the history that the price is not very stable here, but still I think that could be the profitable moment. Yes, we can see that tricky moments, but we have this tail for the profitable deals and for going upwards. We just have to be more confident right here, and I think we can. Oh my god, what is happening? Jesus, just guys, look, the price is going upwards. Just few seconds and we didn't win. So I think that is totally okay, because we have 4 profitable deals and only 2 not profitable ones, and you all know that market could be tricky, and you just saw it with me that we could have the profit just few seconds and it went out. Oh my god, guys. So I think we can change the indicator and make 2 more or 3 more deals. That's gonna be just amazing. So let's take out our Bulls Power indicator, one of the favorites on the market, one of the favorites with the traders and the bloggers on the YouTube channel. I can see it very popular on the market and the binary options and the pocket option. And as we had 2 unprofitable deals, I think we can go for $1,000 deals, because we're gonna turn our money in and earn even more than we lost. But I honestly didn't even think that we lost, because that was just a moody market and it can be everywhere with everybody, so I just not worried about that moment. So let's go for this situation, and I think that is juicy, because we have $1,000 here and we have curves, and not some curves, we have really stressed curves. You can see we're working only with the curve situation. Even in the small curves, we're working with really hard situations here. So let's see what's happening. We can see on the Bulls Power that we have buyers and they are trying to put the price upwards, but could they? That is the question. So let's see and let's wait, because we have really strong curves right here, and it's very strange how it's gonna work right here. I don't really know. Just few seconds, and oh my god, guys, do you see it? Just few seconds, guys, and we earned $1,000. That is amazing. Just few seconds and it's changed all the way of the curves. So I think that is just amazing. Let's make one more deal with this indicator and $1,000. So let's wait till the candle gonna close up and let's see what's gonna show up next. So I think that the price gonna go upwards because we reached the maximum minimum, and we can see on the Bulls Power that this minimum, the tail is becomes shorter. That shows up that the buyers are here and they are making this support zone, so they putting the price upwards. And I think that the price gonna go upwards because we have here the turbulency zone that the price wanna go in, and we have these gentle curves that we're working with. So I think that is a not really stable situation, but really understandable one. So we can turn it in our power, and also we can see this little tail that's showing us that the buyers are here. So they are putting the price upwards. that is very understandable, very nice situation, and oh my god guys, we earned money again. And guys, we had 8 deals today. Yes, 2 was not profitable, but we had 6 profitable deals and there was just fantastic. This video was for professionals, as you saw, with a different technical analysis and with different indicators, and also with the tricky moments when we won and when we didn't won. So that was really interesting for me, a little bit of challenging situations. So don't forget to follow my Telegram channel where we have the free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, I have some type of advice there, so you can grow in your binary option experience, and I think that's amazing. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and put notifications on so you won't miss my new videos. Bye bye.